I'm about to mount a secondary fire extinguisher in the truck. I already have one under the bed in a little storage compartment. I just want this one on the inside. We're gonna mount it around here, around where the seatbelt is. Got 3 self-tapping screws. So let's get checked to make sure it won't interfere with the seat, won't interfere with the seatbelt. Plenty of room. So it's not in the way, nothing can get caught on it. So seemed like a pretty good spot. Center, first screw. Level it out, make sure it's straight. Now for the other 2 screws. I selected this location because it's easier to move the curtain out the way than fight with moving the seat back and forth, trying to fold it down, climb over, just reach in, move the curtain, snatch it off. I mean, there's some trucks where it's mounted closer to the floor, but to me, this is a more convenient location. So there you have it. Take less than 15 seconds to install. Just an extra safety measure. If I can't get to the one in the kick box, side box, it's always the one inside the cab. Or if I need 2 fire extinguishers for some reason, one don't put the fire out, I have a backup one.